You searched how to buy shares of Brazilian Rare Earths Ltd, a company focused on rare earth mineral exploration and processing in Brazil, listed on CBOE AUS with ticker BRE.ASX. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, most platforms require identity verification with an ID, and you will need to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BRE.ASX to locate Brazilian Rare Earths Ltd. Select the matching CBOE AUS listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information, the price chart, and recent market data. Confirm the company name, market CBOE AUS, and ticker BRE.ASX so you are looking at the right asset. Click Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed according to your order type, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform used as an example.